The creator of OpenClaw said that 80% of apps will be disappeared in this age of AI. It is actually true. From past 3 months, I'm using the OpenClaw, which is became as my personal assistant, which is managing my daily workouts and my job hunt, and it is sending my emails, it is summarizing my emails and checking my calendars, and it is also ordering our groceries and also managing my personal portfolio. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using OpenClaw to do all of these things and what are the main use cases I'm using. So let's get into the video. Welcome to TechRex. This is my laptop where I install my OpenClaw. I caution you guys to install this in a separate system because it will have access to all of your files, like a root level access to all of your files and sensitive information in this laptop. So I have installed in my secondary laptop, which I'm not using most of the times. Started setting up OpenClaw in this. I have connected Telegram and my WhatsApp as my two main channels for interacting with OpenClaw. So I can chat with this OpenClaw using both of my WhatsApp and Telegram. So the first thing is I also connected my Google Workspace, which has Gmail, Google Drive, and everything. So just to test this OpenClaw, when I just send a message from my WhatsApp, and this is my screen from my phone. So this is my WhatsApp, which I have named OpenClaw, which I'm using with my personal number. I'll just pull the recent emails from Gmail and summarize them. It will pull all my Gmails and summarize them. It's just pull my 10 unread emails from my Gmail, which says I have some job alerts and record, and it also categorized that emails like the categories with job alerts and some shopping updates and newsletters and everything. So this is one of the use case. And another interesting use case which I'm blown away is that by using Meta. So I'm using Meta AI glasses. So when I so by connecting this email Meta glasses, so I can just send any kind of image to through WhatsApp to this OpenClaw. So let's just test it out with this. So my Meta glasses is just connected to my phone, and when I said, let's see, yes, it says Meta is connected. So I'll just send, hey Meta, take a picture and send that picture to OpenClaw in WhatsApp. Yes, send it. So it's gonna send that image to OpenClaw, and when we send that image to OpenClaw, it's gonna process that image, and we can ask any kind of question to OpenClaw, which is really interesting. So we can see it just gave me an output. I see you're working outdoors. What's in the photo? Phone in hand, and I have a laptop in front of me, and I can also ask different kinds of questions using my Meta glasses. So I can like send a text message to my agent, OpenClaw agent. So I can send, hey Meta, send a text message to OpenClaw. What is the price of current stock of Apple? Yes. So I just send a message to my metaglasses. It says what's the price of stock of Apple. So it's gonna pull that information from like the cloud, or and it gonna, you can see here, so it will give, so you can see the current price of Apple stock is $273 with there is a 10% decrease, and the Apple is trading slightly down today at around 274 per share. The cron job. What is cron job? So here, if you see cron job, a cron job is a scheduled wake ups and recurring agent runs. So when we configure any kind of task to run at the specific time, it's gonna run over and over again, um, without clicking anything. So I just here configured one cron job which will give me any kind of data analyst job according to my resumes, and it will also tailor my resume according to the job description, and also generate cover letters and save all of them in a drive folder. So today it just completed my job hunt, and it just found 10 data analyst positions, and for each of them it's also generated 10 customized resumes, and also it has 10 cover letters, and saved all of them in drive folders with you can see when I click this drive folder, it can see here. Yeah, here you can see there are different kinds of jobs, and each of them has different kinds of resumes, and it also generated cover letters for each of them. When we click this drive link, um, here it says this is the cover letter, and to see what are the jobs has listed, so it's also created an Excel sheet and updated all the jobs in this Excel sheet. And not this, I also connected all my social accounts to this, like LinkedIn. It can post autonomously, like without my intent. When I said research about this topic and post that topic in and created draft post for LinkedIn or Twitter or any kind of app, so it can pull the data from internet, and it just draft the post, and it's going to send that post to LinkedIn via APIs. And one of the other interesting use case is where we can build apps without like with just chatting. When I say, hey, build an app, so when I said hey, build a basic web app for fitness tracker, and give me the link to view it, let's and it will build the app, and then it will give us the live link. So let us see if it is working or not. Let's reload this. Yeah, boom. So I just got a app, fitness tracker app, so I can just say select workout. When I said running, like let's say 30 minutes, I ran 5 kilometers optional, so I'll add workout. So now you can see that it's just logged the workout, and it is updating in real time. And don't forget to follow TechMax.